Hey guys, welcome back to Andy's Corner. Today I just want to do a real quick video on contactors. This happens to be a 2-pole 24-volt contactor. It's in a basic air conditioner, just like the one sitting next to us here. This happens to be a Linux. We actually already have the new one in place. I still have to tidy the wires up and clean the compartment out. You always want to make sure the compartment's good and clean, all that kind of stuff when you're done. But this particular one, we kept blowing the 3-amp fuse inside on the air handler, so traced all the wires and everything, came back out here, and that coil on there is shorted. This is, like I said, just a basic contactor. We've got high voltage, comes in on both legs on the top, comes out both legs on the bottom, and on the sides that coil is hiding underneath that plastic there, but you got a low voltage terminal there, and on the other side you got one there. So to check that, what we're going to do, see if I can do this one-handed. We got our meter set to ohms there. I'm going to see if I can stick this in there and get it to stay. So we're touching both terminals on the coil side there. And that thing is shorted. So contactors do go out once in a while, but usually there's a cause for it a lot of times. And this particular case, there's a thermostat wire. I'm at a hotel. There's a thermostat wire that runs through the block of the building and up to the second floor, and that wire had rubbed and shorted there where it goes into the house, but already have the wire fixed up. Always make sure you find the root cause of all problems. Don't just go for the quick, basic, easy fix, because we may have done the same thing to a new one if we hadn't done so. So get the wire fixed up, got the contactor in, we'll get it all tidied up, reset, and start over again. Any questions on contactors or anything like that? I know this was a quick, basic video, but any questions, leave them in the comments below and I'll get back to you. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe as much as possible. Thank you and God bless.